Yes. Hope you're good traders. My good fellows, back again. It's Kelvin. I'm back on buy stop and sell stop. Traders good and good to go. My traders, I'm back again now. So the previous video I showed you on how to place the market execution, buy limit, sell limit. For today is the buy stop and sell stop, and we finish all about that. Then we go to the analysis. That is the important thing. But before going to the analysis, I will talk about leverage. That is lot size and TP and stop loss. So for today's, I will explain on how to take buy stop and sell stop. Those are simple things. So without wasting a lot of time, we'll come to our trading platform, that is MetaTrader 4. For now, let's use MetaTrader 4. And I told you I usually trade gold, GP, USD, and the Euro USD. So as a trader, you should not use a lot of currencies. They may confuse you. So majorlize to what you are best on. For me, I trade majorly gold. That good. So without wasting now a lot of time, let me show you how to buy, stop, or how to place the sell stop. So you will come to your, let me open my Wi-Fi good. Let me see if it is working, but there will be a lot of notification, and sorry for that. Let's connected good. My Wi-Fi is good. That nice. So I'm back again now, guys. I'm back again. So I took some trends, but yes, as you can see, I took some trends, but okay. So for today's now video, sorry for the notifications, they will be coming, but sorry for that. But we need to open it so that we can take the trends. So my traders now, I will go direct to my gold as a new order. That is now all about buy stop and sell stop. I will long press. You long press at the market execution. You long press the ear. Let me show you where you long press. Yes. So you're supposed to long press at this point. This is market execution. You long press it. It will display. So we have talked all about sell stop, that is buy limit and sell limit. The remaining now part, even we have talked about the market execution, the remaining part is all about now buy stop and sell stop. That good to go, my traders. So I will teach you about that. Now let me show you how do we do it. So we'll come, there is that. So my traders, let's go to our chart. I show you how the buy stop and sell stop means. For example, let us go to our, so before I go there is something that I didn't explain well the last video. Sorry for that. So this one means the chart, this one means to modify, this one is to close. You can see that the trade is going against you. You can tap here and close it. You can modify to place the stop loss and the take profit. Here is to show the chart. So I think the point is well cleared, understood. So I can see that every icon here, you should know it. This is quote. Let me show you. This is the quote. I will keep repeating this for the one who have not seen the first episode. So go to my playlist, watch it, and subscribe. So this is quote, this is the chart, this is the trends. Okay, good. So my trader, so I will come to the charts here. So the chart, after coming to the chart, my traders now, here let's zoom it like this for good now illustrations. So my traders now, we are talking about the let's start with sell stop, because the market is on a sell. So the sell stop means that when the market, for example, These are the pending orders. They are not now. They will come at that point when the market will be triggered. You will enter the market automatically. What do I mean? Let me explain it. Now, it means that uh, you have got a signal that says that when the trade will reach at this point here, it have not yet reached. As you can see, the trade is here. So when it will reach here, it will continue going down. Good. So the sell stop means that when it will reach here, it will continue. So once it will reach here, you will be triggered on the market and it will continue going down. It means as it continues, you are getting what? Profit. If it does not continue, it goes back, it means you will be on loss. That point clear, and that is you should note all about that. So my traders, to the buy stop, it is more or less the same. So it means that the market the market is on a uptrend. When it reaches to this point, let's say even 23 here, that is 23.41. When it reaches 23.41, it will go or continue. That is your prediction. So once it reaches 23.41, you will be triggered on the market, and when it goes up, you will be getting your profit. If it goes down, you will getting your losses. So traders, I think you have understood. So for the trade for today's, I think I have made it all about the market. I have finished that, and keep now subscribing my videos, my channel. Keep watching them for more information. So my traders, I have a channel. I have a group of VIP that where there is free signals. That is in Telegram. In my description, I will share the link. You will go there for the free signals. But there I don't post daily. I post daily, but I don't give every signal. For the VIP group now, people, my number is here. My number is here, and even the Telegram group is there for the hype, for the VIP group. People who want to join and start receiving my daily signals, where I give daily signal and they are good my traders. So my WhatsApp number is here 07 00 36 36 28. Good. 28. So that good my traders. So without wasting much ado or a lot of time, uh, I will um, I will explain briefly what now we will study about the next episode. So the next episode will be on. It will talk all about the lot size and the leverage. So keep an eye on that. Take profit and stop loss. So the next video that I will upload after this is all talking about the stop loss, the lot size. So after there, we will enter now when we have seen that once and explain that the Forex, you need to have the knowledge. Now I am giving that knowledge to you. So in Forex now, we are saying that you know when to buy, and when to sell. For example, if you had bought at this level, let's show you. If let come here, if you had bought at this level, you would go up at this around how many pips? Let me show you. So let me show you. Yeah, we calculate pips using this one. So you would go several pips. This is here. So you'll go at least a lot of pips, almost 70 something pips. So we are saying that once you buy, you need to buy when it goes up, you get the profit. When you sell, when it goes down, you get the profit. Now, in Forex market, the important thing now is to know when to sell and when to buy. The signals that we give, they say that buy at this level you buy, sell at this level you buy, and you collect your profit. So for I will teach you now how to develop a strategy. And before that, you need now to analyze, to know the technical analysis, fundamental, and the sentimental. So it's not the must you know everything. You can know only about the the technical analysis, good to go. You can know about fundamental, good to go, and you cannot even you can decide to rely on signals. But I emphasize so that even you can provide your own signals. You can be a profitable trader at the end. You might rely to the signal of a person, but at a time it does not give you the signals. So you know that you will at this market, this is now your work. Like me, I have decided this is my work. Actually, I am a student somewhere, but after some month I quit. I had to resign that my contract of learning, and I came to venture on Forex. If I can make $100 per day, I'm in Kenya. That is around 13,000. That is around 13,000 per day. What now the means of going to study or doing what? At that time, I can make $100 per day. That is now when I was beginning. But now I can make around more than $500. So it is amazing if you know these things, if you know when to buy, when to sell. So it is amazing. So contact me, I will give you the signals, my guys. I'm here for you. This is around my YouTube channel. Subscribe it, make the community to grow, and I know you'll become a profitable trader. Share my video to your friends, subscribe the video, keep watching, guys. Give me a like, guys. That the good thing that you can do for me, the important thing that you can do for me right now, right this time, is just to subscribe to my channel, and you'll be notified every time that I post a video. You'll be seeing it. My fellow traders, have a nice time. Next, I will meet you and discuss about lot size, leverage, take profit, and stop loss. Keep watching the video, keep sharing it. Goodbye, guys. Have a nice time.